What's up, guys? Back with another video. Now, I know I haven't been doing videos lately, but guys, I am so sorry. You know what I'm saying? I work with the media and it's just been crazy. So today I have an update. You know what I'm saying? I just received something in the mail and I want to share it with you guys. Alright, so I hope you guys are having a great day today. You know what I'm saying? So let me show you what it is. I just got this in the mail. Okay, right here, it's just this big box right here. And, you know, so yeah, sooner or later I'm going to be working on some things. So let's just open this box up right here. So this time I'm not even using a knife or nothing. I'm using a key to open it. Open this box. Alright. There you go. Open this up right here. Alright. Yeah. Pull that right here. That's mad heavy. Then this here. Alright. Put the keys back. This looks pretty good. Okay. So these are two front struts right here. And these are the rear struts that I got for my 2007 Dodge Charger, and they got all the parts in the inside. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, there's things that I'm gonna be working on. You know what I'm saying? So, I purchased these on Amazon, and this company called ABC Industries, I think. So yeah, guys, that's just an update. You know what I'm saying? Just wanted you guys to know. So I hope you guys are having a great day. And this is just a short video update just to let you guys know. Alright? So see y'all later, man. Peace.